Now that we have covered how to calculate your network bandwidth, let's quickly define the segments that need to be monitored. Let's start with the camera segment and the network segment. The camera segment represents the part of the network between the cameras and the server. Most of the bandwidth usage is in the form of video being streamed from the cameras to the server. The client segment represents the part of the network between the server and the clients. The bandwidth usage is mostly in the form of video streams being streamed from the server. When viewing live video, the bandwidth output from the server is equal to the incoming bandwidth, unless transcoding is being used. The recording segment represents the most critical segment, as it is usually the most saturated part of the network. It is the sum of the camera stream bandwidth, the client viewing bandwidth, and the archiving bandwidth. As we discussed, you need to make sure that you accurately estimate your bandwidth needs when designing your system and plan for the worst-case scenario. The archive segment is the part of the network between your live database and your archive database, whether this is direct attached or not. The bandwidth in this section can be calculated by dividing the amount of data transferred by the time it takes to transfer the data.